Okay, so you need a piece of paper, and you should title it Unit 3 because these are all the new signs for today for Unit 3, and they're all about where you live. So we're going to start with 7 different cities that have signs in Michigan. Number 1, Lansing. So write that down on a piece of paper. It's an L. You bend just your index finger and it ends on your temple. Number 2, Detroit. In the shape, you make a D and then you sign it in the shape of a 7 in front of your body. Number 3, Kalamazoo. So you start by making a K and it's in the shape of a Z. Number 4 is Flint. Flint with an F. Again, it's kind of in the shape of a 7. Unless you're left-handed, then it would be backwards. 3 more. These are all 2-word cities. Grand Rapids. Traverse City. So you're shifting your hand over just a little bit. And Ann Arbor. Okay, the next ones have to do with being near. So write down near. Some landmark. We learned lake. So you're making L's. Start away from your body and it comes towards your body. Lake. We have schools. So you could live near a school. We learned the sign for city or town. It's a rooftop, many rooftops in a city or a town, and you kind of go across your body. If you're right-handed, you go left to right. Opposite of city is country. So on your elbow, you make a Y, country. Farm. 5-hand. Go. Farm. What am I forgetting? Mountains. So you're making S hands, tap the back of your hand, and then both hands go up. Mountain. The sign for live. So live. Some people sign live with L's like this. I tend to just do with a, it looks like kind of an A. And also that would be the sign for address. So live. Did I miss any? I'm thinking of also directional signs. So real quick, we're going to do north, south, east, and west. So for north, you just make an N and you go up. North. North. South, you make an S and you just go down. South. And then this is maybe a little confusing, but east and west are actually, they both go to your dominant side. So like east and west, unless you're giving someone actual directions and you tell them to turn to the west, and that happens to be that way. But if you're just saying like I live in East Lansing, you would sign it East Lansing. Even if that direction right now is not, I am going out west hunting. So east and west. That's your list so far. So make sure you have those all numbered.